Today, we're going to draw and color a sparkly sand bucket with a cute smile. So grab your marker and glitter colors, and let's get started.
Welcome to tinyhandsart.
First, I draw a cylinder shape. This will look like the body of our bucket. Then, I draw an oval shape on top that makes the open top of the bucket. Now let's add a shovel and a fork inside the bucket. Perfect for beach fun! Next, I draw some bumpy shapes inside. These are the sand sitting in the bucket. Lastly, I add 2 funny round eyes and a cute smiling mouth to make it look friendly. Wow, our drawing is complete. Now time to add color to our bucket. First, I pick gray and color the iris of the eyes. Then, I pick black to color the pupils. Now, I pick cyan blue to color the body of the bucket. It looks so cool! Then I use golden glitter for the sand and bucket handles. Shiny and bright. Now I pick green to color 1 spoon or shovel. And finally, I pick yellow to color the fork. Awesome job! Yay! We've made a super colorful and glittery sand bucket together. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next fun drawing. Keep coloring, keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends!